really warm this morning, 72 in Milwaukee and Racine. Feels pretty humid outside this morning as well. Winds are relatively light as we're starting out the day here. Storm 4 Max radar. We do have a couple of showers to talk about here. Milwaukee down to the south, just a few sprinkles at best, but from West Bend up to about Oshkosh, where we've got some of these showers moving through, and these are going to continue to work their way out towards the lake. They're actually moving off to the northeast. So north of Sheboygan, where we find a couple of showers as well, but those will pretty quickly move back out over the lake. So for this afternoon, we have some storms in the forecast, and we've got a marginal, which is a low end thunderstorm risk, and this has to do with the potential for some strong to potentially severe storms. So this is a kind of a 1 out of 5, so it's low end, but we could see 1 or 2 strong to severe storms as we move through this afternoon. Here's how it looks with future forecasts through this morning. Just a few showers. I think we're going to see kind of 2 rounds of storms that move through. The first one will be early this afternoon. So here's lunchtime. We've got some storms starting to move in. And then as we get into the late part of the afternoon, still dealing with a few showers and storms here. And some of these could put down some pretty heavy rain, produce some gusty winds and lightning, another concern for us. But then watch what happens as we head towards late in the evening. We get a couple more showers and storms to pop up here. So even late tonight, I think we could see kind of a second round of storms moving through. On Sunday, though, if you're thinking about Father's Day, here's the afternoon, maybe 1 shower. I think that we make it through Sunday largely dry. Again, in the evening, maybe a pop-up shower or 2, but that's going to be about it for us on Sunday. I think Father's Day really looks good here. So future rainfall, this is going to be for our rain that we see today. We've got a lot of moisture to work with, and so any of the storms that develop could put down some locally heavy rainfall. And again, it's been 7 days since we've seen any rain here, so the ground is fairly dry. We can take the rain. We could see anywhere from about a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches in some places, heavier amounts where those thunderstorms set up. So today it's on and off storms. High temperatures will make it into the 80s, a little bit breezy as we move through this afternoon. Tonight, 67. We'll see a couple of storms, and then things are going to start to dry out after about 1-2 a.m. As we look at the 7-day here, 80 for Father's Day, just an isolated chance for a shower on Father's Day. I think really it's going to be pretty nice. Monday, we've got a better chance for rain and thunderstorms and could see a couple of strong storms as we start the week. Temperatures, if you don't like the warm weather we had through much of this week, are going to be cooler. We're going to see high temperatures into the 70s. We're going to check back in on Storm 4 Max radar, plus we'll have your latest pollen forecast still ahead.